Hello viewers, hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to show you Rebar work for tie beam. So in this video I will teach you how to read the drawing, how to prepare BBS and how to execute at site according to the drawing. So this is our plan for tie beam. You can see the title, drawing title, ground slab plan and details. So in this plan, we have total six types of tie beam. Like on each S pen, you can see there is tie beam one, tie beam one, tie beam two, tie beam two, tie beam five. So like this, it's already mentioned in the drawing which types of tie beam will come which S pen. So after that, I will show you for this section of tie beam, it will how look like this and how we will understand section for tie beam. So here you can see typical section for internal pile cap. We did already piling and pile cap concrete. We did already. Now we are doing tie beam. So this is section for tie beam. After that we will do for ground slab. So for now we will discuss only section for tie beam. Here you can see we have top 3 number of bar, bottom 3 number of bar, 2 number of bar, side shrinkage, and the width of tie beam is 25 centi and height is 90 centi. So this inside there is ring. It's called stirrup. How to decide stirrup, like which what is the width of stirrup and what is the height of stirrup. For example, our tie beam size is 25 centi by 90 centi and clear cover is 4 centi. So for the stirrup, we have to deduct clear cover from the both side. Like this is 25 centi, so stirrup width will be 17 centi and height will be 82 centi. Now you can see there is a schedule for tie beam. This is our schedule for tie beam, and this first column is tie beam types, which is tie beam 1, tie beam 2, tie beam 3, tie beam 4. And these types of tie beam you can see in the plan, it's already mentioned which types of tie beam will come which area. So this one is for types of tie beam, this is the dimension for tie beam, and this column is for bottom reinforcement detail, and this is top reinforcement detail. Like 3 number of bar, 20 dia for the top, and for the bottom will be the same. And there is one more column, extra middle span and extra edge support. So extra middle span will be provided in the bottom and extra edge support will be provided in to top. Here you can see this is our one column, this is our second column with the column to column distance called span length. So this is our length and this is our bottom extra which will be L by 2 and top extra which will be L by 3, L by 3 from both ends. How to provide extra rebar, like this length is 3 meters, so bottom will be 2 meter and top will be 1 meter from the both end. But for the top you have to provide the L, leg length you have to decide according to the height of beam. And here you can see stirrup detail. For L by 3 from support, we have to provide 5 number of rebar which 10 dia in 1 meter, like 200 center to center, 200 center to center. And for the L by 3 at middle span, we have to provide same, like you can see the number of rebar in 1 meter, and from support you can see number of rebar in 1 meter. Some area will become 5 number of rebar and some area will come 7 number of rebar. And this is our shrinkage bar which will be provided in the side of tie beam. Hello viewers, now we are at site for the practical training. Here you can see we did rebar work and some area are balanced which we are doing. And after rebar we are doing form work also. So now this is our stirrup. Width of stirrup is 17 centi and height is 82 centi. This is our hook length which is 10D. This is standard. Now you can see some area balance for rebar work. They are placing bottom rebar work and side rebar for the tie beam. And here you can see this is our one tie beam which start from here to there. This tie beam, this tie beam is completed. So this is top rebar which is 3 number, and this is bottom rebar which is also 3 number, and the dia of rebar is 20 centi as you can see the schedule. This one is bottom extra which will provided in the mid, and this one is top extra, which will start from the support in the bot wing. And this is our side shrinkage rebar, which is two number each side, one number and two number. So this is our detail for tie beam, and here you can see we are fixing conduit also. This is our sleeve for kitchen and toilet. We have to provide in the tie beam before concreting. After that, we'll proceed concrete. So guys, be with me for the site knowledge and drawing experience.